Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Vilpi and here is your first exclusive look at the new OnePlus Nord N100. And also this is the international giveaway of this unit that I'm unboxing. As the channel is quite new, you have a high chance to win. All you need to do to win this device is first, be a subscriber if you are not already. And second, like this video. And third, write down in the comments from which country you are watching my videos. I will select the winner by the end of this year, so don't miss this out. Just hit those buttons and you are in for winning this phone. Going back to the phone, this is quite interesting phone and interesting move from OnePlus because this phone sits in the lower tier of budget phones with just 200 euros price point. Currently, it is available in Europe and UK. And it continues the approach of the original Nord we saw a few months back. So the idea of that Nord was to have smoothness and performance of a flagship device with lower price. And I think this phone surely doesn't aim for that, but I think it aims to provide a good user experience for users on a budget. This phone comes with Snapdragon 460. And has 64 gigabytes of internal storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. You can use the micro SD card to increase the storage if you need more. At the moment, there is only one color from this phone and is this Midnight Frost color. Now let's go and open the box. Here we have some paperwork and also the SIM ejection tool. Then we have the phone. We have the charging cable. And also we have this fast charger. So it is 18 watts, not super fast charger we have on other OnePlus phone. It's 18 watts, but it is still fast charger. Now let's have a look at the phone itself. So here is your first look at the OnePlus Nord N100. The frame of the phone is built from plastic, but you don't feel like that. It looks like metal, I would say, and even feel like one. We have the power button here, and then we have the SIM card slot here, which also act as the memory card slot for extending the storage. There is no silence mode switch here, so something that has been always a part of OnePlus phones. At the bottom we have the speaker, one USB port Type-C, and we also get a headphone jack here, which makes sense in this price category to have one. The back of the phone is built from plastic. It feels good and doesn't look cheap at all, I would say. I think for a 200 euros phone, this phone fulfills the expectations in terms of build quality. The color isn't anything special like what we see on other OnePlus phones that have some reflections and changes in the color based on the light. It is just quite good looking phone. Then we have the fingerprint scanner at the back of the phone, which I think is the best place to have it if we are going to have one. And we also have a triple camera setup here. No ultra wide or fancy sensors, just a macro lens, which probably is going to be useless, and a depth sensor in addition to the main camera, which is 13 megapixel. You can also record up to 1080p for video quality on this device. It comes with a giant 5000 mAh battery, so quite large battery, and considering you get an IPS LCD panel with this device with HD quality, so no full HD or quad HD or something, and also no high refresh rate, I think the battery should definitely last long enough for all your daily tasks. Now let's go and boot this up. So here it is. The display, as I mentioned, is IPS LCD. It is quite bright, but it's not OLED, so you don't get that color accuracy and also view angle. The quality is good overall, I think. The display looks nice, but there are some large edges around the display. But I think for a 200 phone, maybe this is actually overall a good display to have, and it is expected to have this kind of design and edges around the display. Remember, we are talking about 200 only. Again, I will be giving away this unit, so make sure you enter the contest by being a subscriber, liking this video, and commenting from which country you are watching my videos. Let's now put this side by side with the original Nord. As you can see, it is quite different in terms of the display, but the build quality is very similar in terms of look. Of course, you get glass on the original Nord, but the N100 is also quite good. It's not like the original Nord, definitely, but it's good. You can easily see the biggest difference here is the display. The display is brighter on the original Nord and the quality is much better. Let me know what you think about this device, and if you have any question, write them down in the comments and I will try to get back to you whenever possible. Either way, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and until the next one.